Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit the text in Photoshop. This is very basic tutorial, but this is the mandatory part of Photoshop if you want to design in Photoshop, because without having good knowledge in editing the text you cannot be able to make a good design with Photoshop, because most of the design has the copy, which is the text. If you have good knowledge, good skill in editing skill, you will be able to make amazing design. Okay, let's begin. As you see, I have the text hello world in my stage, so I will show you how to edit this text in many different ways. So first of all, I'll show you how to change the font. There is a panel right hand side which is character. In this area, if you don't see this panel, you can get it from window menu. This character, that's it. The character is checked mark, so that I have the character panel in right side. So first of all, I'll change the font. You see, this is the font area. Here the Arial is selected. If you write Times New Roman, then the text is changed, and you will change the font style like italic, bold italic, and many different way. Now I'll show how to change the text size. This is the text size area. Say I will make the text 120. You see, the text has been smaller. We can make it bigger, like 200. See, and this is the kerning between the text. You can check it out what happens if you apply these settings. From this area you can change the height of the text. Like this is by default 100. I'll make it 120. So you see, the text height is enlarged. You can make it smaller, like 80. The text height is 20% smaller than its original size. And this is the horizontal scale. By setting the value here, you can scale this text horizontally. Like this is by default, this is 100%. We make it 200%. This is 200% wider. Let's get back to its original position. And this is the spacing between its character. Let's make it 20. You see, the space is increased between the characters. Let's make it by default 0. Okay, and there is another palette which is called paragraph. In paragraph you can set its alignment. You see, by default this is left align, this is left align. So if we want to add something, new, the left side is fixed, and from the right side it is increasing the text. But if you select the center text, you will see it gets to back to make it center. And if we add something new, hello world, you see the text maintaining its own center of the stage. And same time you can make the alignment right, so that right side will be fixed and left side will be dynamic. See, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.